Welcome back to our channel, and today we're going to learn on how to add friends on Monkey app. First step is to download Monkey app on your mobile phone and log in your account. If you don't have one yet, choose to create account and fill out the necessary details. Once you have installed the app and signed in, you will be directed to homepage where a video call from anyone is only one tap away. Going back, there are 4 tabs on the bottom part of the page. You might want to choose the second one in order for you to pick the user that you want to connect with. You will see all the profiles of the Monkey app users, which is based on the preferred gender that you choose and your location as well. Simply swipe right if you wish to chat and swipe left to browse more options. Easy peasy. So that is how you can add friend on Monkey app. Thank you for watching and see you next time.